guys, it's Mishty and welcome back to my YouTube channel, MISHTY'S, Savour, Gracias. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make groundnut masala rice. This is very popular in India and especially in the southern parts of India. And people who go to school and offices usually prefer this as it's very delicious, and I bet you're making the most foolproof macarons and you're going to love it. So let's get started. That we require are half cup of groundnut without the skins roasted, half cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of groundnut oil, 2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds, 3 teaspoons of split chickpeas, 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, some curry leaves and few cloves of garlic, 4 medium-spiced whole red chilies. Now let's just fry this together. Now I have preheated my pan in medium flame. Now let me add my groundnut oil and my groundnuts and roast it for a few seconds. I'm roasting it for a few seconds because it's already roasted, but you have to roast it till it has a crunchy texture. Now let me add my split chickpeas and you can roast it for a few seconds. Very nice aroma is coming, so now I'll add my urad dal and again roast it for a few seconds. Next we'll add our jeera. Now we'll add our white sesame seeds. Now let me add my red chilies. And now I'm gonna add my curry leaves and my garlic. Now you're gonna roast it nicely. Now such type of aroma is coming, I cannot express it. OMG, it's crackling. We're gonna fry it in a low and medium flame till it's kind of crunchy. Now let me add my coconut. Why am I adding coconut in the last? So that it doesn't burn. Now it's ready and let it cool completely. Now it's completely cooled down. Now let me transfer it to a mixer. Now let me close the lid. Now let me grind it. Whoa, it's ready and it smells amazing. Now the ingredients we require for frying are 2 cups of rice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste, or groundnut mixture, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of groundnut oil, 1 chili, red chili, and some curry leaves. Now first we're gonna add our oil and mustard seeds. Now we'll wait till the mustard crackles. Now our mustard has started crackling. Now we'll add our red chili. Now let's add our red chili. And now we'll add our curry leaves. Now let's add our turmeric powder and our groundnut mixture, and then saute it for a few minutes. Now let's just add salt for taste. Now let's add our final ingredient, that is rice. So please do not break it while cooking. This looks so tempting. We'll transfer it to a bowl. So guys, now our ground masala rice is ready. Now let me taste it. I have no words to say about this. This is actually incredible, delicious. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, like, share, and hit the bell icon. Bye, see you next time. Now I have an important job to do. I need to finish my groundnut masala rice. Bye.